on Facebook. It'll take me just 1 second. I hope you are doing well. Hope you had a great day today. I'm going to share with you a nice list of stocks for tomorrow. And we should be live on Facebook. Hi everybody. Good evening everybody. It's kind of late. Sami Abu Saad here. I'm Director of Education at T3 Live. Good to be with you. I hope you had a great day today. Great start to your week. I had a $10,000 day today, so pretty good. But tell you the truth, that's below my average, my recent average. But with that said, let me go ahead and turn on the charts and show you what I wanna talk about today. Actually, before I start, a disclaimer to let you know that trading is risky and that whatever we discuss today is for educational purposes only, okay? So make sure you agree to that before proceeding with the video. If you find benefit in today's video, if you find benefit in this video, please be sure to hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. Also, I'm doing a free webinar on Wednesday in a couple of days. Link is in the description. If you'd like to join me, you have to register. So link is in the description. What I want to share with you today, what I want to go over with you is a list of stocks that did not make new lows with the market that are positioned to go up tomorrow, in my opinion. So here's the list. Here you go. DIN is number one. It has these are swing ideas for tomorrow, not for day trades, but swing ideas for tomorrow. I like the DIN as a breakout over 1950 with a stop under 1680. Okay, notice that the market made new lows today. Not just the Qs, the SPY, much worse. On a closing basis, new lows. These stocks did not, okay? So DIN has a transition A on the daily chart. I told you on the weekend about Chef. How did it do today? Pretty nicely. Told you about TVTY. Actually, Chef is up 33% because it's gapping up in the after hours to 625. All of these have the same kind of pattern. Climactic on the daily and a transition A breakout on the hourly chart. See that on Chef? TVTY is an open play for the newsletter in my account as well. Is a transition A on the hourly and a daily climactic. So to this list that I'm about to go over with you is similar, but it also includes a couple of hot items in Tesla and BA, and I'll go over them in the next few minutes here. First one is DIN, like it over the base, stop under. This is just my list. I will be playing 3 of them tomorrow. ADS, this triggered already, but I think it's not too late to join in over the base, stop under it. Okay, on the DIS. A couple of energy stocks, a couple of restaurants, and one business services company, BJRI, as a breakout on the hourly and a climactic on the daily. Long stop under the base, like it. HAL obviously is Halliburton, is oil over the base, stop below it. There's some oil stocks, even though oil made new lows as well today. There's some oil stocks that, I guess oil didn't really make new lows today, but was bearish. And USO, for the most part, was down today. Recovered a bit this afternoon. But HAL stayed pretty bullish, so I like it over the base, stop under. There's a bunch of other oil stocks that look good, but I'm trying to share with you the list that I think is not stuff that didn't already move so much, like KOS, which is a penny stock. HAL is good too. Silica or SLCA, I just call it Silica. It actually is called Silica. Is a transition A on the hourly chart, stop below the base. Okay, VVI. I lied about the VVI. VVI did make a new low, but notice not on a closing basis, meaning it didn't actually close like the SPY did below the prior low, the prior bar. It actually made a new low and then shot right back up. So I like it as a transition A on the hourly chart and a climactic buy setup on the daily. So I like this one over the base, stop under it. Like it a lot. VVI. And then there you go. Tesla and BA dropped really hard, the Tesla into the 200 MA. I think it found the bottom for now. It's not a perfect bottom, but Tesla is positioned for the future. Check it out. Look at the monthly. How many stocks on the monthly chart are still above support and above their rising moving average, above their 20 period moving average. You tell me how many stocks out there are above the rising 20 and the minor support on the monthly chart. Not a lot. Of course, I'm not oblivious to the fact that Tesla had an amazing breakout and it collapsed. That's really bearish. In fact, I shorted it, right? You've seen my P&L for the Tesla multiple times. But I still like Tesla as a long-term play. It needs to stabilize a little bit. I think it has a bit here and it could be positioned to move up tomorrow. So I'm going to keep an eye on the Tesla. It's not one of the three that I picked for the Strategic Swing Trader newsletter, my account as well. It's not one of the three, but it's one of the 7 watches for tomorrow. Tesla as a buy setup on the hourly and as a possible climactic bottom on the daily. Last but not least is BA. I talked about it in the room today as a potential swing candidate over the base. It triggered already. To tell you the truth, it got halted. Otherwise, I was interested in playing it. Got halted midday and then it shot up really hard. So I didn't get it. So I am going to be looking to watch. I'm going to be watching the BA for a potential entry long. Now, BA is down about 75%. I mean, something like this from the high, for sure. 75, more than 75% from the high. But even the recent high, it's down like 60, 70%, right? From $350 to $100. So down a lot. Could it bounce back up to $200? Could it double, basically? Sure. Now, I'm not predicting it's going to move to 200 tomorrow or even next week. But at some point, it has room to $200. Initially, I would look for 150 to 175 on BA. So I'm interested in BA, not in it. Would like to see if I can figure out a way in it tomorrow. Some nice swing ideas, even though the market is actually technically still really, really bearish. All of these are long ideas. The shorts are not as good. So I'm sharing with you the long ideas. And that's, and all I got in my account are long ideas. KHC also triggered today's short, but prior to that, all I had were 4 long ideas. So, okay, but KHC is like the only short. All right, so I hope you take advantage of the list. Day trading remains really good, and now I think we might have an opportunity for some nice swings. Already a couple of plays triggered today from the list that I shared with you on the weekend. I hope you were able to take advantage, but at any rate, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope that it proves to be profitable for you tomorrow. Again, if you'd like to learn more about my services or if you'd like to join me for Wednesday's webinar, link in the description. Thank you so much, guys, and have a good night. Take care, everybody.